This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Got it.
Can you show your screen and show the? And now also we talked about this, and now with AI and stuff too. The Irfan embedded. You gotta share your screen, Irfan.
Yeah, let me share my screen.
The V1 to V2 converter code into AHK Script.
Okay, let me open that. It is taking time for some reason.
I told you that, yeah. For me, there's something going on with it. We gotta.
Yeah, it is taking so much time for some reason. Okay. So, for example, I have a script
Go ahead and zoom in a little just to make it easier for people.
in V1. So in V1, we do not need to use double quotes. So I can say my name in here and it will just run fine. But if I want to convert that into V2, I can just copy it and paste it so it converts into. So I can just select and right click and convert to V2, it will be converted.
Now,
it is that easy.
That's using the V1 to V2 script. However, if you go, I think under options, under preferences, is that where it is? Where just show where we let people save a AI token.
Yeah, open Autos.
So we haven't made any use of this yet, but this is where I'm like, hey, we could actually write a prompt to tell AI to convert the selected text and have it send it off to AI and return the converted text. Because AI is probably going to, the more complex your script is, especially if it has a GUI, you want to go to AI over the syntax converter. If it's really simple, the syntax thing works fine. But if you have something like I had some of these crazy, I didn't show you how complex the window snipping tool or Automatemytask. We, especially Automatemytask, we spent at least 100 hours, more than that, several hundred hours developing with Maestria years ago. And in V2, of Claude, Claude converted that thing to V2 really well. But that's why I didn't touch it, was it was so complicated and it took us so much time. I just was like, the V1 works. But yeah, now AI is so good, it'll convert the stuff.
I have a question about ASM. How do you do the collapse and expand nested
Oh, okay.
code?
So this thing.
Yes.
So the custom lexer is being used behind it, and then there is a scintilla method to invoke these. So I have to go to the function. So there is a AHK file.
No, I don't know. I don't know how. I don't want to know how you coded it. I want to know how to use it.
How to use it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you collapse them and then you expand them, just like this.
How do you get that turned on?
Oh, you don't see them?
No.
Oh, you don't have these updates. So I recently added those. I'm sorry.
And which we didn't even remember to mention, it now has a check for update capability, right? Which I'm not sure if it's
Yeah.
done, but
Yeah, it is working. So if you download the latest one and then after I change it, and you can just have check for update if you have license.
yeah.
So because the
If you have the pro,
yeah, it is our download EDD. So it's our download EDD that needs the token to have access to the file. So that's why we need token.
to say in English, because Irfan's explain, you're a programmer, right? So you talk about the technical things. I was laughing when Connie said that because I'm like, you got to think when Connie asks a question, he's like me. I don't care about the code. Just show me how it works, man. I'm fine. But we don't have a license with the non-pro version, and we do have it in the pro version. And in order to be able to do this, to have the check for updates, you had to have a license. And so I'm like, we'll just put it under only for pro users to have the check for update. And it sucks for non-pro, but it's, it's a cheap tool too, right? But
Oh,
but
yeah.
that was why I would have had that in both versions, but it was going to be really complicated to do that. So yeah, it's just in the pro version. And we will be adding Automatemytask to the tools in the pro version. Because that is such a great syntax for quick little things. I'm going to use a lot for little stuff. Oh, also, I didn't mention it. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services.